My name is Joey Dudley. I am the mitigation manager at Warrior Restoration. I have been here since June of 2019. I love the company because we do care about the customer at the end of the day. That is without them, we're not working. So they understand that, and we make the customer feel that way. I don't know where else I can go work and learn from the owner, hand in hand. And it's not I'm the big boss coming in telling you how to do your job. It's knowledge and it's mentoring, and I have that ability to do that with the people that I work with. And I also have the ability from my previous employment to kind of look at some things and say, oh, maybe we should look at doing it this way. And my voice is more heard here than it was in a corporate world. So every person here understands how impactful they are, and that's shown on a day-to-day basis. So everybody knows their value. It's definitely a family atmosphere. I mean, I cook for everybody here twice a year. We celebrate holidays. We cherish time off. We cherish time spent with one another. And that's not a 9-to-5 mentality. It is a family-oriented place. And it's nice to feel like you're a part of the family and not just an associate.